How to know if someone follows you back on Instagram. Hey guys, this is Lucy. Let's get into the video. There are 3 ways to know if a person follows you. For the first one, you need to see if you have the option to remove them as a follower. To do this, go to the profile of the person and click on the 3 dots on the profile. If there is an option remove follower, then they follow you or else they do not. Another way is to go through their following list. Go to the profile of the person and then click on following. Search your name or your username in the search bar. If your name pops up, then they definitely follow you. But if you get a message saying user not found, the person does not follow you. For the last one, you check your followers list. Tap on your profile in the bottom right corner and go to followers. You enter the name of the person. If you see their account, then they are obviously following you, and if you don't, unfortunately, they do not follow you. Those are the 3 ways to check if somebody follows you back. Like and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys in the next video.